Hi folks, how to be happy? 11 cool tips. Act on what I am going to tell you. You will certainly feel much more relaxed and happy. Tip number 1. Never compare yourself to others. It is a bad idea. Always remember you are you. Why should you compare yourself to others? You are unique. Tip number 2. Never wait for big occasions to be happy. Find small acts of happiness like just smile at a stranger, or start jumping without any real reason. Look in the mirror and say to yourself, "Hey dude, you are a beautiful piece of flesh." You will feel a lot better. Tip number 3. Never be too much concerned of what people think of you. Why should you be thoughtful of others' remarks about you? You are unique. Do what you please to do, unless the thing you are doing is unethical and or illegal. Tip number 4. What is gone is gone. It is past. What is still to come will come. Why do you bother about what was and what will be? Live in your present, folks. Just chill. Tip number 5. Cry if you like. What you like matters the most for your happiness. Weep silently when you feel like it. Tip number 6. Do you some good instead of thinking of doing bad to others. Envying others keeps you unhappy. For your happiness, do not envy others. If you envy, what harm can you give them? This will simply make you unhappy. So, don't envy others and be happy. Tip number 7. Do not keep anything back from yourself. Never lie to your person. Be honest with you. Be content with what you are. You will feel happy. Tip number 8. Try to be your best friend. Talk to you when you are alone. Enjoy your loneliness. You will never be unhappy even if nobody takes care of you. So try to learn the art of being alone and happy. Tip number 9. Face reality. Even if you fail in achieving something, accept the fact gracefully. You will try again to succeed only if you accept that you have lost. Tip number 10. Find yourself a reason to be happy in everything. It is your thinking which makes you happy or unhappy. Think positive. See the positive side amidst the difficult times. This way, you won't feel depressed. And the persons who don't feel depressed are always happy. Tip number 11. Human beings cannot have control over all the things in life. Let things roll. Don't mess with everything what happens. Too much thinking for nothing is a bad idea. That's all, folks. If you act on what I have told you, you will certainly feel much more relaxed and happy. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more cool videos. Thank you so much for listening to me. Take care. Bye.